Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine a team of AI engineers all coding at once, but instead of chaos, everything just works. That's the promise of this paper. Effective Strategies for Asynchronous Software Engineering Agents by Jiayi, Geng, and Neubig. Here's the problem. Single AI agents are getting really good at small tasks, like fixing a bug. But when you scale to long, complex projects, things break. Dependencies clash, changes overwrite each other, integration fails. It's like multiple developers editing the same file without coordination. So what's the core idea? The paper introduces CAID, Centralized, Asynchronous, Isolated Delegation. Think of it like a well-run software team. There's a manager agent. It builds a dependency graph, deciding what can be done in parallel. Then multiple engineer agents work at the same time, but here's the key. Each one works in an isolated workspace using something like Git work trees. No interference, no accidental overrides. When they're done, they commit changes and the manager merges them back with tests verifying correctness. So the system follows a loop: plan, delegate, execute, verify, merge, repeat. This diagram shows the full life cycle from task delegation to parallel execution to final integration. Now let's talk architecture choices. You can design multi-agent systems in many ways, but this paper argues something important. Branch and merge is the core mechanism. Instead of agents chatting endlessly, they communicate through structured artifacts, JSON instructions, Git commits, test results. Also, the system uses an event loop, so engineers run asynchronously and the manager reacts when tasks complete. Another key design: self-verification. Each agent runs tests locally before submitting code. So, quality control is distributed, not centralized. This table connects real tools like Git, dependency graphs, and async execution to how agents coordinate. Now, pitfalls and best practices. Pitfall 1: more agents, better performance. Too many agents create coordination overhead and merge conflicts. Pitfall 2: bad task delegation kills everything. If the manager misses a key dependency, progress stalls. Best practice: start with dependency-aware planning, not random task splitting. Another tip: always enforce workspace isolation. Soft coordination alone doesn't work reliably. And the results? Pretty impressive. CAID improves accuracy by plus 26.7% on paper bench, plus 14.3% on commit 0. Even more interesting, just increasing iterations in a single agent barely helps. There's also a deeper insight. Multi-agent systems fail not because agents are bad, but because integration is hard. CAID solves this by making integration explicit, test-driven, structured, and that's exactly how human developers work. Another interesting finding: using multi-agent as a fallback after single agent fails is inefficient. The paper also explores scaling. Adding more engineers helps up to a point, but beyond that, performance drops. Why? Because the manager becomes a bottleneck and coordination errors increase. Another fascinating part: two runs of the same system can give totally different results, not because of randomness, but because of task delegation choices. If the manager assigns the right critical file early, everything improves. Miss it, and the whole system underperforms. So what are the big takeaways? First, isolation plus integration beats communication-heavy systems. Second, software engineering tools like Git are not just tools. They are coordination primitives for AI agents. Third, multi-agent systems need structure, not just more agents. And finally, long horizon tasks demand architecture, not just better models. Closing thought: this paper quietly shifts the perspective. The future of AI coding isn't just smarter agents, it's better collaboration systems. And CAID is a step toward that future, where AI teams don't just generate code, they build software together. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.